Hi everyone, I have a dirt bike that I would like to install a stealth mode on. This is a KTM Freeride EXC. One problem that I have is the headlight. It is always on. And I can do low beam or high beam, but there's no off switch while the bike's running. All we need for this is an on-off switch and a female and male blade connector. Clean up the wire ends and then strip about 1/4 inch on each. Use a crimper to make sure that they're crimped really good. Give it a little tug to make sure. There we go. Start by removing the brake control. On this bike, this is a brake. On other bikes, it will be your clutch, and you can do this on either side. Next, you want to take off the headlight. On this one, it's pretty easy. It's a little rubber pull, and there it's open. Attach the switch where you want it on the handlebars. And now reattach your clutch or brake. Now disconnect the low beam, okay, right here, and connect that to your switch, and connect the other end to your high beam. Okay. Route this cable nicely. Now mount your headlight again using this rubber thing. You just pull it around, that snaps into that little pin. Alright, it's on. The switch is on. Now we turn it off, and it's off. Still have a high beam, but the low beam is now controllable for your stealth mode. Alright, thanks for watching.